All right, so we're just going to hop right into the summary of what's going on. It's spring season. We're seeing it heating up. Everybody is at their busiest. I know I have been extremely busy and I'm ready for all of them to close. So we are heading into, we always know July is a little bit slower, so we are going to see that coming up as typical. ICCU's underwriting team announced that they are having a high volume of new contracts last weekend. We are seeing multiple offer situations. People are going above, but not as high over asking as we have seen in the past. I know that Oriana had multiple. One of my listings on Cello had about 3 offers all in one weekend. So we are still seeing activity picking up, but we are expecting it to slow down in July as normal. If selling aim for the sweet spot without overpricing, interest rates don't help. They're not going to go back all the way down to 4. We are still seeing them in the mid to high 6s, but we are still seeing buyers asking for seller concessions to buy down the rate. So while things are picking up, rates are still higher, but people are negotiating. Rates are holding steady. 10-year treasury yield hasn't changed much in the last recent months. We have 11 active Ada County fourplexes, which you can see here, one of them being Halstead. Hopefully it's okay if I'm zooming through this. We always have the slides afterwards as well. We have 13 active Canyon County fourplexes. You can see there's that whole sub on Hamlet available. Hamlet's dropped, and so did Brassy Cove. And then here is Melissa's rental market update. Okay, perfect. Yes.
You know, on the previous slide, there were some that are more expensive. Are those 3 bedrooms? Is that what the deal there?
Do you know the deal on Hamlet?
I don't know.
1.26 million. That's kind of a lot for fourplex.
I can look them up as soon as I'm done and I can let you know.
Yeah, they look like they're bigger units too. So
Yeah.
that's square.
The square footage is quite a bit bigger. So I'm assuming. Yeah.
That's pretty difficult for 2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll pull it and let you know. Okay. So first rate is seeing that we are still trending and preparing for more notice to vacates than normal. Retention rate is closer to 65 when usually it was at 75. Pricing is not being listed as a reason to move out. We aren't seeing very little change in rent, but slight decreases are possible. Specials and proactive pre-leasing seems to be working. So make sure that if you have a vacancy coming, list it as soon as you know. Overall, tenants are moving around. Don't fall behind and let your unit sit vacant longer than it has to. I have seen that even if we're marketing 60 days in advance, the tenant will give us a video tour. That's how we've been leasing ahead of time. So